Summer's around the corner. You want to make sure the baby ones get the fun out of it. So today we're going to bring this inflatable pool. Now this inflatable pool is a PVC inflatable swimming pool, 77 by 12 inches. Now it's perfect for babies, small kids, and child. Just be careful because you got to watch and monitor your kids while they're playing in the fun in the sun. So just make sure that you're aware of that. You know, summer's a time to have fun, but also play it safe and be careful. Make sure adult supervision is available when you're playing outdoors with your kids. Now this is great. You can take it anywhere, inflate it, deflate it, and use it. Now it does have extra sprinklers that you could actually increase or decrease depending on the actual amount of water power you set up. But overall, it's a great for all ages. I hope you guys enjoy the video.
Yeah.
Show him how to splash. Show him how to splash with his hand.
Dad! 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 We're going to go to a dive in the sun. And Nicky Roman, and when you know how to swim like